we'll see today how the supermarket in Luxembourg look like. We are living near the Kirchberg area, and this is, I think, the nearest supermarket just beside the National Library. This is a kind of small mall, and there are different shops. We have some food stores. Oh, lots of good stores. Rituals, Swarovski. Tamaris. It's like, okay, patisserie, huh? So is this Luxembourgish supermarket?
This is Luxembourg.
Okay.
It's on the way. The other one is.
This is like Aldi Rewe in French.
But yeah, really.
So this is the Auchan supermarket, and just opposite to that we have Oberweis Patisserie Bakery, which is proper Luxembourgish bakery. फिर डस्टबिन भी इतना सुंदर है कि पता ही नहीं चलता है, it's a dustbin. And now we enter inside. Let's see what different things we have here.
We use the grenadine flavor.
What is it? Juice?
It's like sherbet, but it's the
Ah.
best, like the best of France.
So
Maybe French brand name.
you drink it directly, or you have to mix it? Water.
Water.
Oh, okay.
Water.
Okay.
Water you want.
Can you?
Also.
I'll take one.
Then you should take the grenadine, which is. I think this is the one. It is not good. So you should take this.
Okay. How much is it for?
I think it's $14.99.
Okay.
अलग अलग चीज़ें मिल जाती कुछ.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
शुगर नहीं है वो फ्लेवर. बट ये है ना एक्सीडेंट. ये तो खुद का अच्छा नहीं होता है.
Rasna, ruafza. Oh, okay. French ruafza.
Very
Raining good, so I want it to be there.
It's like you guys get in Belgium this. So these are the alcoholic like
Irish
yeah,
cream
these
wala.
are
हाँ
Irish
हाँ हाँ.
cream होता है ना. These are all flavors.
Oh, okay.
This is why I said this area is amazing. You don't nothing compared to what we.
What is this? What is this? Samosa?
Mortadella pasta उसको है.
I don't know. I understand. Hello. What is this?
This is maybe in Italy.
Okay.
Full of rice.
A fry and it is deep fried.
Okay.
Oh, okay. You have meat inside.
Cheese and the ham inside.
Oh, good.
And each one with different flavor. I think you open like for 15 minutes.
Okay. What is the name of it? Aconcine. That's a beautiful name. Ah, yeah. Aconcine. Okay. Thank you. So different types of hams. अच्छा है यार. Wide variety of whiskey and wines.
Mango, tropical fruits, and orange, and you mix it with prosecco and sparkling water. Or if you don't like prosecco, you can mix it with champagne, or whatever you like. Even the Filipino fresh whatever. Fresh for summer. So basically it's for 16 euro, and today it's only for 11.99. And I have two bottles.
अच्छा है. Oh, that's the language you speak. So I'm buying some of these. And this is the first time I'll be trying.